All right, this is Will White with Alair Homes Clemson out here. Wanted to point out a couple things that we do. The zip flashing and zip board that we use on the exterior of our homes that tape and seal as opposed to using Tyvek, which you see a lot of houses. But one of the other things we do on our decks is, because the decks is an area where a lot of water penetration can get in. So we take a couple extra steps to prevent that. And you can see up here that we've got butane that we run on the wall behind before they put the deck boards on. And then you'll see the metal flashing that we have bent up. And so the siding will actually tuck up behind that. So you've got two steps protection there. And then above the deck, one of the other things we're going to do before the siding goes on and the deck boards go on is we've got another piece of flashing that will actually bend and come over. So we've actually got a three-step process to ensure that no water gets in behind the deck board, because that's a key area where water gets in behind and that deck board rots out, the band board will rot out. So just one of the things we do to prevent water from getting in and provide a lasting product that will last for years for the clients.